Here's the question. If I have a Google document, I want to insert a page somewhere in the middle of the Google document. How do I do that? Here's a couple ways you can do it. First of all, here's a Google document I have, just a rambling Google document. The idea number one is just go to the end of the first page and then just start typing. Now, if you want it to be in another page, then what you might have to do is hit enter twice or two or three times to push it down to the next page. That's one way you can do it. Here's another way you can do this. You could go to the end of the document where you want to insert the next page and insert a page break. Now, insert a page break is under insert, and right here it is, break, page break. So I could just, and by the way, the keys for insert a page break are command or control enter. And there I just insert a page break and I can start typing. Now, if I want a completely blank page, then what I might do is come down one line and insert another page break again. And look, I have a completely blank page between the bottom of this page and the top of this page. So page breaks are a powerful way of doing it, especially if, let's say, the content that you want to put the page break, you want to put a page break right here, then sometimes a lot of people just hit a bunch of enters. Well, that's not the right way to do it, to push to a new page. Again, the right way to do it might be command or control enter and push the new page to the bottom. And again, I can make a completely blank page by just coming down one line, or stay where you are and hit command or control enter again and insert a completely new blank page in the middle. Now I can go into this blank page and I can start typing whatever information I want to put in this blank page that I've inserted between two pages. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.